Next envelope, envelope number 6781. Cluster Precinct 4D. Precincts are 23 as 22B from Mother Poblacion Barangay. Envelope is with paper seal and packing tape. Inside the envelope is inside return folder without paper seal. Open for the observation of the council and the representatives of the citizenry.
Okay. Total number of registered voters 370. Total of numbers of voters who actually voted.
With serial number 86606.
There we go. We will now numbers. Please select any pre-decided letter from other barangay. Total number of registered voters in the LCBM 257. Votes. Yes, 154. Yes, 154. No, 8. No, 8. Canvas.
Yes, 43. No, 47. Again, yes. Yes,
No,
43.
1,
No, 47. And your question.
Okay. Sulat ako ng canvas. Mother Poblacion.
Next envelope, envelope number 6931. Precincts, cluster. Precincts 2378, that's 2348B. 2348, yes, and 234B. From Calakanan, Ono, of Cotabato City, with paper seal. Inside the envelope is plebiscite return. Folded without paper seal. Has been open for the observations of the council and the representative of the citizen.
Another benefit return for Mother Poblacion. Precinct number 004B and 0004C.
Duplicate by President Noted. Then we will now canvas from Calaganan, Ono.
Okay? Open natin. Inside the...
Total number of registered voters in LCBM, not clear. Let's proceed to the votes. Yes, 89. Yes, 89. No, 117. No, 117. Canvas.
Total number of votes voted 185. Again, voters calling the department for ballot ballots. And full ballot 54.
Next envelope, envelope number 7078. 16 cluster precinct 302. Precincts are 488, 488 from RX10.
For the votes, yes.
With paper seal or signed by the envelope, will now open.
Against
Inside is the
yes,
plebiscite return.
105.
Folded without paper seal. And will open for the consumption of the council and the representative of the citizens of Mars. There we go. We'll now canvas the plebiscite return coming from RX10. Number of registered voters in the LCBM 376, 376. Votes yes 90, yes 90, no 75, no 75. Canvas.
Inside, for the consumption of everybody, is the plebiscite return full. Mother Poblacion, Barangay Mother Poblacion for precinct number 0058 and
41B
0068.
and 41B. Notified Poblacion 2.
Number of registered voters
Next,